सो FMG पास परसेंटेज इंडिया में कम है, बट दैट इज़ डेफिनेटली नॉट बिकॉज द स्टूडेंट को बराबर कॉलेज नहीं मिला, दे डिड नॉट गो टू ए वेरी गुड कंट्री फॉर देयर MBBS एजुकेशन, बट इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टूडेंट। द चैलेंज यहाँ पे ये हो जाता है कि आप कोई भी कंट्री ले लो, वहाँ का टीचिंग सिस्टम अलग होता है, वहाँ का लैंग्वेज अलग होता है, एंड वहाँ का इंटर्नशिप का पैटर्न भी अलग होता है। सो ऑब्वियसली देयर बी सर्टेन चेंजेस। सो व्हेन यू कम बैक टू इंडिया, आपका जो एग्ज़ाम होता है वो इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स के हिसाब से होता है, और इसके लिए आपको डेफिनेटली राइट फ्रॉम योर सेकेंड या थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर से ही आपको प्रिपरेशन चालू करनी होगी। द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर नॉट एबल टू क्वालिफाई आर दो स्टूडेंट्स जो शायद ये एग्जाम को सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हैं, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू आर सीरियस अबाउट clearing your FMG exam, then 100% you'll have to start your preparation right from your third year. So first and second year जो होता है वहाँ पे आपके प्री मेडिकल सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, so प्री क्लिनिकल सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, and after your third year your clinical subject starts. That's when your actual medical journey starts. So third year से ही अगर आप serious हो तो 100% आप FMG exam clear कर पाओगे, but it completely depends on your hard work, your dedication and of course your exam preparation. So ये दूसरा चैलेंज है। अब आपका MBBS में एडमिशन हो गया, आपका MBBS कोर्स हो गया, आपका नीट एग्जाम भी हो गया, और अगर आपको मास्टर्स करना है then you'll have to face another exam which is your NEET PG exam, and this NEET PG exam is your entrance exam for your master's seat. आप MBBS करने के बाद में you can be a general doctor. We can definitely practice as a licensed doctor in any government hospitals, in the private hospitals. Yeah, you can set up your own clinic and you can start practicing. लेकिन अगर आपको एक स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर बनना है then obviously you'll have to do masters. So if you want to do your masters, then again you have NEET PG, that is NEET post graduation exam. So you'll have to definitely work very hard for that, because compared to NEET UG, मतलब compared to MBBS seats in India, PG seats are even less. 1 lakh students from India, they are graduating in MBBS, and we have so many students almost every year going for abroad education. So you can definitely consider like 1 plus at least 2 या फिर total 3 lakh students होंगे every year who are competing for the master's seat. And actual में master's seats are not more than 45 to 50,000 in India. So imagine MBBS के लिए 25 lakh students are fighting, और PG seats के लिए minimum 3 to 4 lakh students are actually fighting to get a seat. So that is another challenge. Obviously, the stress level will be more. Obviously, the difficulty level will be more because you are entering into masters and you are taking up a specialized course. So हर जगह पे आपका ये challenge रहेगा. So to be a specialized doctor, you will definitely have to go through NEET PG exam and then you'll get a PG seat. Now, जो students who are currently writing the licensing exam, उनके लिए it is called as FMG exam. But there are chances that the exam might be changed in upcoming years, and this FMG exam will be changed into next exam. So remember, अगर आप MBBS कोर्स में जाना चाहते हैं, then your stress, your struggle, your hard work should never be compromised. So this medical journey is definitely not easy. See, you go through a lot of things. Stress becomes a part of your life. Okay, anxiety also becomes a part of your life. Before you get into any medical college, you have this stress and anxiety of clearing the NEET exam. अगर high score नहीं मिला तो not getting a seat in India actually puts you under a lot of stress and depression. Once you get into a medical college, then the entire जो 6 years का journey है, that also takes you to a different roller coaster ride, because it's medicine, of course. Nothing's gonna be easy. It's not. We cannot even compare this course with any other engineering course or any commerce-related courses, because here this is a course, this is a profession where you'll be actually dealing with the life of a human. So obviously you'll have to study a lot. You'll have to, understand everything very minutely. Otherwise, you will be responsible in ruining someone's life, because it's a matter of death and life. So if you're not a successful doctor, if you're not a very good doctor, then obviously patients will not be very confident to come to you. So which is why even India has a lot of filtration of asking you to write the licensing exam. So इस 6 साल की जर्नी में भी आप lots of anxiety, stress, आपको हार्ड वर्क बहुत करना होगा. I've seen students who have literally given up in between कि हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. At the same time, I also have seen a lot of students who are like consistent कि डिप्रेशन हो, एंग्जाइटी हो, फियर हो, ट्रॉमा हो, whatever it is, I have to become a doctor. मैं करके रहूँगा. And that's why even after going through a lot of phases, they have actually cleared the licensing exam. So not giving up is something that you have to decide well in advance before entering into a college. You have to be prepared mentally कि this journey is definitely not going to be easy. I'll have to go through a lot of things and it's not going to end in like 3 or 4 years. It's not any other random course. It's a MBBS course. It can take you almost 10 years also. So remember, this entire journey will take you to your different phases of life and you will actually come out as a very strong, successful and a very dedicated doctor. Because I have seen from my own eyes, the students who I have enrolled when they completed their 12th, I have seen them clearing the PG exams. I have seen them going to different countries like UK, USA after clearing their licensing exam. In my next videos, we'll be talking about the licensing exam of different countries. But in this video, please remember you have both entrance and the exit exam if you're planning for medical course, be it in India or abroad. So this is all about the entrance exam and the exit exam and also the PG exam. If you have any questions or any queries related to these exams, then make sure you drop a comment or contact me directly. The number is given in the description box. And if you want me to make more videos on any specific topic, then please do let us know. I'll be happy to help you, assist you and guide you. And if you have come this far, then make sure you subscribe, like this video and share this video with your friends who should know everything about the medical course, MBBS journey, entrance and exit exam. Also, we are always here to help and assist all the students. Make sure you let me know if there's any specific topic that you want me to make a video on. At the same time, if it is MBBS in India or MBBS abroad, I'm always here to help you out. You can directly walk into our office or contact us anytime. The number is mentioned in the description box. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye-bye.